Hi Crypto Kings and Queens, welcome to my channel. My name is Natoshi. In today's episode, we're gonna talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum. And after we've had this big drop, we are probably gonna go sideways for a couple of days or so. So I'm gonna show you exactly the most important levels that we can use. And of course, we are able to trade the market in between these levels as long as we know about them. So continue to look at this video for you to be able to know about the most important support and resistance zones that we have on Ethereum and on BTC. Remember, I'm no financial advisor. You need to look up everything yourself first. But continue to look at this video and I'll show you the latest update on BTC and on Ethereum. And if you are looking for a platform where you don't need any KYC, then I have the solution for you. If you're using the link in the description down below the video for Bitflix, then you will also be able to receive this Apple Watch Series 8. Oh my God, how fun is that? It's almost Christmas. Now you know what you can give your girlfriend or boyfriend, right? But when you are depositing $100 to the link in the description down below the video, you will get a $10 back on that, and you will also be able to receive this wonderful watch. You have until 4th of September. It is 3 days left when I am recording this for you to be able to be part of this giveaway watch. If you do not know what Bitflix is, I think you do, but it's a leverage trading platform for anyone that has cryptocurrencies. You have leverage from 2x to 100x. And if you have never used this platform before, I have a great tutorial video where I break down exactly on how to use the charts with everything on here, what it actually means, and how you're using leverage for you to be able to place some orders. Of course, I want you to know that before you're doing anything, and always remember to trade with risk management, because that is the only way we can be profitable in the long way. And yeah, so if you want to have this one, remember you got 3 days left when you are watching this on Friday, the 1st of September 2023. And if you want to know how to trade the market in between these levels, make sure to look at this video too. This is where I share a really good strategy for you to be able to get a little bit more money in the sideways market. Always remember to trade with risk management, of course, but the strategy is really good in itself. You can use this on crypto, forex, index, whatever pair you're looking at, you will be able to use this because the market is doing some specific things in a sideways market that you can take advantage of. So make sure to look at that one. Also leave a comment below and tell me how much you love it. Okay, let's see what levels the market can go sideways between now. Okay, so in yesterday's video, we were looking at what type of levels the market on BTC can drop down to. And we're looking around 24,000, 22,265. But let us go down to the lower time frames now and see what is happening. So we are still we were talking about this on my live stream today. So going back in time, you can see how the market did have this big momentum. We were going sideways from Wednesday, 21st June till 15th of August. So almost a month we saw a sideways market. And if this is something that we're gonna see now, I do not know. But usually when the market has this momentum, we usually see the market going sideways around a month or so. So the levels that we can use now to see where the market's gonna have the sideways market from, we're looking at this previous resistance at 26,780. And of course, we are using this support level that we now have around 25,800. So we just might also see the market drop down to retest this low at 25,285. And if the market breaks above this resistance that we have, we're looking at this resistance that we have around 27,645. And so these are the levels that we can see now if the market does continue to go sideways. So we can see the market continue up to the resistance, do the exact same thing you saw here. We're trying to break it. We see the retest, market drops down. If the market tries to break the support, whether it's going to be a little bit or if we're dropping down to around 25,300, market closes inside the support level, then the market can continue to the higher targets. So these are the levels that we most likely gonna see the market bounce in between now before we see the market giving us the next momentum that we have, whether that is to the upside or to the downside. Looking at the overall market, when it comes to the technicals, I definitely see the market giving us another drop. But of course, before that happens, we need to see a clear breakout a retest. Going back in time, we can see how this happened before. Just going back on time, when we saw this support level, we were going sideways for a long time. We saw the market break above it. We saw the retest continuation up to the resistance. We tried to break above it. We had a small consolidation, market pull back up to the previous highs that we did have at the top. And then slowly and steady, you saw how the market from nowhere had this big drop. So we are, of course, we can use different support and resistance zones right here. You can see this one, you had breakout retest. You can also see on the 1 hourly how the market gave us the more evening star right here. So 1 2 3 candlestick against this previous support level that you can see. So we need to wait and see what the market's gonna do. But you know, going back in time, the market is usually going sideways after we've had these big momentums. And even on the 30 minutes chart, we can see the market pull back up to this level that we have also at 26,300. The price or the support and resistance that is closest to where we're at is of course the most important ones that we see, because the resistance right here, I do believe that, you know, we're gonna come back up and retest this level before we see anything else is happening now. If we don't from nowhere, of course, see the market have this break, because we don't know how long it's gonna take. We can just go back in time and see what the market has done before. And you know, if the market is not doing what it did before, we can still use the support and resistance zones, where these are our guidelines, and the candlestick patterns against them is what we are looking for, if I haven't said that 4,000 times already. Let us go to Ethereum and see what Ethereum has for us. This is also something that we spoke about today on my live stream. If we are just looking at the overall perspective right here, we go to the 4 hourly. You can see how the market has been going sideways now for a couple of hours when I'm recording this. We had the support level that got broken at 1,643. We dropped down to the previous support level at 1,640. Market breaks above it. So if this is a push up to 1,650, the previous resistance, or 1,660, well, obviously the candlestick will show us this. But just have in mind now, after this big drop that we did have, we usually see the market go sideways, and today it is Friday, so we just might see the market continue with this lovely momentum that we have right now. And if you have not already followed me on my ex Twitter account, make sure to do that right now, because this is also where I give you some daily updates on the currencies when I'm not live or when I don't have my daily updates. So this is a very good platform for you to be on if you want to have the latest updates on the cryptocurrencies, or just some polls for you guys. I want to interact a little bit with you, see what you like. If you have anything specific that you want me to look at, make sure to write that too, so I can create a post of that, maybe a TA of a specific coin that you want. Okay, now, so it's the weekend. I'm getting off. Hope everyone will have a fantastic weekend. We'll see each other on Monday. Bye. Bye.